Welcome to Code Essentials. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your first landing page like this one. What I've done is I'm having an HTML document here with the CSS and the index.js. Now the only thing I've done here, I've added the header with the H1 that says welcome to my first landing page. And then I have the section for the main content, and here I've defined the class with main content and a paragraph that says this is a simple landing page. I also have a button that says click me. Then down there I've created the footer section that says it has a copyright with 2023 landing page. Okay, that is it. Okay, now let us look at the index.css. Since I've defined the class for section or the main content as main content, and also have the ID for the button that says click me. Now when I open the index.css, the first thing I've done is I've defined the font family as Arial sans serif for the body, the margin top as 0, the margin left as 10, and margin right as 10. Then the padding is 0. So this means that whenever I load this page here, the margin top is 0. So we don't have anything here. Otherwise we could have had the white page up here with the 10 pixel margin. Then on the left you can see we have some kind of little space, and also on the right. So this is 10 pixels. If I comment out the margin top like this one and reload the page, you can see here I have some space there. So it takes, if you are defining explicitly the margin left and margin right, then it's going to also ask you to enter the margin top and bottom. That's why I'm doing here as margin top as 0, because I don't want any space on top of the header. Then the next thing is the header itself. So the header, you can see this one is the header with the background color of some black. The text is white, and also it takes the font family. So the whole page takes the font family for that I've defined here, so which is Arial sans serif. Now you can see we have the color and the text is white, text align in center. Also the padding is 20 pixels. So within this header, you can see above this is 20 pixels and down also is 20 pixels. So that is padding. Okay, now the next thing is the main content, where we have the text align center and padding is 20 pixels. And then the button itself, now it has the background color of this some kind of blue. The text color is white. The padding is 10 and then 20. Then I have borders none and cursor pointer. So this means that when I point over this, you can see it is, the mouse is changing. Yeah, and you can see the text is white, the background color is blue. Okay, on hover also you can see the color is changing from some bluish to some kind of that color. So I hover over this. Then the rest of this page here is the content. If I go back to HTML and copy this one, like this one, we are going to have two buttons. So this is the first content of the body, and this is also the second one. Okay, the next thing I think is the paragraph or the footer. The footer is here. The paragraph is not styled. So the footer has the margin top of 400 pixels. You can see we can scroll down. So it is 400 pixels from the first or the second content of the body. Now, as we style the footer, you can see the background color is black, the text color is white, the text element is center, and also the padding is 10 pixels. So within the footer itself, it is 10 pixels from the text down and bottom. Okay, now if I click on this one, you can see it says button click. All this is JavaScript, right? But if you want to add more content, let's say here on the paragraph. Let's say please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also let me know if you like the video in the comment section. Yeah, if I do that, then I'll go back to the page. You can see I have the paragraph. Yeah, let me know if, so I say KBO. So let me know, I type like that. I go back to the page. Now you can see it says please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also let me know if you like the video in the comment section. Okay, now let's move to JavaScript. So I go here to the index.js. The first thing I've done is document.add event listener and pass in as DOM content loaded. So whenever it loads, we have to fire this function, and this function is a button. So we are going to click the button. So here, before we click, we have to say document.get element by ID, which is click me. So this one here, where's the button? This one. And then now we have to call the button itself. So we want to click. So this add event listener, you can see if you hover over this content, you can see it says appends. So the add event listener appends an event listener for events whose type attribute value is type. The callback argument says callback that will be invoked when the event is dispatched. So this is the callback function where you want to tell the user that alert, you have clicked the button, or console.log, you have clicked the button. So this is it. If I go to the web page and click, then you can see it says button clicked. If I say OK and inspect, and go to the console, I should see something here. So click me, button clicked, OK. Then you can see in the console it says you have clicked the button. So if I click for the second time, you can see it says I've clicked the button here, and it shows how many times I've clicked the button. Now this is what I wanted to show you here in a landing page tutorial. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.